Welcome to Mighty Magulang's Friday FAQs or Fuksain ang Kalokohan. Today's question is, si Jose Rizal ba si Jack the Ripper? Ang sagot, ang kulit nyo. Rizal was in London between May 1888 and March 1889, the same time when Jack the Ripper was active. Match daw. Hello, ang tagal ni Rizal sa Europe. Wala namang serial killing sa ibang bansa na pinuntahan niya. He was never a suspect. Tayo lang yung Philippines. Edgar Degas and Walter Sickert were some of the named suspects during that period. Recent DNA research points to a Polish immigrant barber named Aaron Kosminski as the Ripper. Tapos, mutilated yung mga biktima so may alam sa anatomy si Jack. Dahil doktor si Lolo Pepe, match daw. Hello, 5 milyon ng tao sa London noon, maraming doktor. Kosminski was a barber. Nung panahon na yon, barbers acted as dentists and did minor surgeries. Ang logic ng mga naniniwala sa conspiracy theories at fake news, kadalasan,
posible naman po.
pero wala ngang ebidensya. We should stop making things up to fill the absence of proof. Okay na? Okay na to. Meron ba kayong tanong tungkol sa kasaysayan na kwento ng kapitbahay ng teacher ng kachat ng kapatid ng labandera nyo na hindi kayo sure kung totoo? Comment below with a question. Hanapan natin ng resibo kung carry. Subaybayan next week ang Friday FAQs para matutunan natin kung paano kadali fuksain ang kalokohan. O diba?
Meow meow.